If you're considering the VEVOR roof rack bars for your vehicle, I got you covered. Getting them installed and set up only takes about 20 minutes, so let's get right into it. Now, first thing, when you open the box, you'll notice everything is packed well with bubble wrap and is protected so nothing gets damaged or scratched during shipping. And everything is pretty simple and straightforward, and the bars are a real nice lightweight quality, but these ones are rated up to 200 pounds. You'll notice that it's labeled front and rear bars, and you want to make sure that the bars point in that direction towards the front of your car because they do have an aerodynamic design. Also included is all of the end caps, a set of keys to lock them on, and this is the only tool that you're going to need. And there's instructions, of course, too. Now, when it comes to adjusting and tightening them, all you have to do is peel back a little bit of the seal rubber at the top. The outer screw needs to be loosened so you can drop down the locking mechanism, and if you loosen the inner screw, that allows you to slide the mount in and out for custom adjustment. Once you've got them loosened up, you're ready to start installation. You might need a step stool just like I did too. I prefer getting things lined up on both sides first before tightening anything down, but you can see here in this shot that if you loosen the locking mechanism, if you have the grooved rails like I do, it'll dangle a little bit. That's going to make installation easy. Don't forget to insert the weatherproof seal back into the base and just line and tighten everything up as you see here. And then all you have to do is put the rubber seal back into place. Now you're ready to move on to the second bar, and it's exactly the same as the first one. And then once you're all done, all you have to do is put on the end caps here. They do face a specific way, so take note of that. And this is really the only hard part of the installation. They do take a little finagling to get on there because they are a perfect fit. And just like that, your bars are all set. Everything looks great and fantastic. And now you've got roof rack bars for all of your different things, whether it's a rooftop cargo basket, strapping down paddle boards or kayaks, or anything else that might need to go on top instead of inside the vehicle. Hopefully this helps, and let me know if you have any other questions down below.